Best deals.
1. Bamboo cutting board. Features a stainless steel pull-out tray for easy collection and transfer of chopped ingredients, reducing kitchen mess and hassle. Eco-friendly wooden kitchen tool with natural resistance to stains, odors, and moisture, designed for long-lasting, hygienic food prep. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Food chopper. Disassembles in seconds, rinse and reuse. Dishwasher-safe components allow for hassle-free maintenance and quick cleanup, made with high-quality plastic materials, featuring a modern blue and gray design with user-friendly controls. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Oil container. Ergonomic handle for easy grip. Curved spout for smooth pouring. The stable base prevents oil spillage onto the countertop. Perfect for home family, restaurant kitchen to store bacon oil, grease, frying oil, hot oil. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Coconut opener tool. Soft silicone on top provides comfort at using the coconut tool. Insert the coconut drill at the top of the coconut, it is on the top and therefore easier to poke for the hole. Opens coconuts in seconds. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Foil paper cutter. This innovative foil paper cutter and wrap holder dispenser can effortlessly accommodate one roll of plastic wrap, aluminum foil, or parchment paper, along with a paper towel roll. Enjoy the convenience of easy access while maximizing space on your kitchen countertop. Kitchen packaging organizer features a dual slot design with a built-in hidden sliding knife, ensuring clean and sharp cutting every time. For safety reasons, durable cutting machines are designed to prevent accidental injuries. Equipped with a strong magnetic strip, this cling film dispenser easily adheres to metal surfaces like your refrigerator. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Soap dispensing palm brushes. Thoughtfully engineered for the modern home, this innovative cleaning essential combines a soap dispensing handle, a replaceable scrubber head, and a detachable stainless steel wire ball to tackle everything from delicate glassware to tough, baked-on grime with ease. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Mat. Engineered for stability, never worry about slipping or sliding on your bathroom floor again. With its minimalist design and natural earthy tones, this mat adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom while offering practical functionality. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Fridge storage basket. Made of premium BPA material, lightweight, sliding design and easy to glide in and out the foods. They are used for refrigerator, freezer, table, desk, cabinet. Just slide and expand the under-shelf basket according to the space that is needed. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Flour sifter. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel for long-lasting durability and safety in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Egg cracker tool. Made from high-quality stainless steel, our eggshell opener is built to last. The durable construction ensures that the tool will withstand regular use and cleaning. Crack open eggs with ease, without getting shells into your food. Our egg cracker tool is designed to gently crack the eggshell, making it easy to separate the egg white and yolk. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Whisker. The handle is rust-resistant and non-stick, making it easy to clean. The handle has a hole design, which can be easily hung on any hook in the kitchen for easy storage, ergonomically designed, lightweight, and it is suitable for various cooking places, such as making cakes, whipping cream, stirring batter, and baking pastries. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Curd maker. Effortlessly strain smoothies, juices, and cheese with ease. The fine mesh design ensures smooth, lump-free results by removing unwanted residues for a perfect finish every time. Crafted from premium food-safe plastic and stainless steel, enjoy a seamless, mess-free experience in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Silicone cooking spoon. The bristle's flexible head allows you to scoop hot pan juices or liquids directly from roasting trays without reaching for another utensil. Whether you are glazing pastry or basting a roast, the silicone bristles and built-in scoop help apply just the right amount every time. No rest needed, stays raised and clean, designed with a raised handle and clever sit-up head. This non-drip silicone brush keeps your countertop clean between uses, removing the need for a separate spoon rest or drip tray. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Grinder. Features 6 precise grind settings, from superfine to coarse, with an ultra-sharp ceramic mechanism that won't corrode, ideal for salt, pepper, and spices of all types. Clever angled body and crumb-catching lip mean no pepper dust on your counter. Durable ceramic grinder ensures clean use and long-lasting performance. 2 ounces BPA-free spice jar is dishwasher safe, wide-mouthed for simple refills, and flat-bottomed for stability. Check spice levels easily through the clear body. Sleek black design pairs beautifully with any dining table setup. Durable, lightweight, and designed for everyday use, a premium salt and pepper grinder you'll love. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Dish scrub. From scrubber dishcloths to dishwasher cloth scrubbers, our products make kitchen cleaning effortless and efficient for every task. Opt for microfiber dishcloth for kitchen or reusable rags for kitchen to reduce waste while maintaining a sparkling clean home. Use our metal cloth scrubber for utensils and wire cloth for dishwashing to tackle tough grease and grime without harming your kitchenware. With scratch-free scrubbers like our non-scratch dish wash clothes for kitchen. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Knife set. High-carbon stainless steel blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness while providing a precise razor-sharp cutting edge that will keep your slicing time and again, all in one complete set of specialized kitchen knives consist of 13 professional knives, kitchen scissors, peeler, a premium quality 2-stage knife sharpeners and a modern acrylic knife stand. The durable non-stick color-coated blades of kitchen knives makes it a breeze to slice and clean. The ergonomically designed knife handle provide you with a superior comfort and non-slip grip for better control and balance. This professional knife can easily handle your daily kitchen tasks of chopping, slicing, and dicing fruits, vegetables, and it truly is the all-around kitchen knife. Sharpness is the most important feature for a cutting knife, and we reached the great results in providing the best sharpness of our knives on the market and long-lasting. The knife is perfect for cutting, chopping, slicing, vegetable, and coconut, easily to resharpen, clean and maintain. You can't lose the most comfortable handle you will feel with unrivaled massive cutting performance, making this a great addition to any professional or high-quality modern kitchen. The handle provides maximum comfort and stability for cutting. Each knife is ergonomically comfortable, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use, allowing you to handle any task with confidence and enjoy the cooking experience at your kitchen every day. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Sink strainer. Unique triangle shape fine mesh design. There are 2 applicable methods for hanging filter and flow type: dense drain hole, quick drain without residue. The basket kitchen sink strainer cannot only be used to filter leftover kitchen sink drain basket strainer. It can also be used to clean fruits and vegetables, but also store kitchen gadgets. Product link is given in the 17th link.